What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, what we see on the lower time frame, gold has broken the local level of support, and we could find a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, first, let's begin with the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. As we have seen in all my analysis, this is what exactly I mentioned that gold is likely to drop as this is a long term bearish market. Now, gold is doing exactly as it is. This is the monthly chart, as you can see. After the previous monthly middleman has broken out of this monthly level of support zone, what we have seen that gold currently below this monthly level of support, which is support here, support here, support here, acted here as resistance. Now at this point, what you see that this current monthly candle created a lower high with the previous month, and then after testing of this support as a resistance, we have seen gold is rejecting, meaning that it is highly likely that gold will continue to drop probably to this very important another monthly level of support that can give us a significant shorting opportunity on gold. Now, looking at the weekly time frame, we have seen that on the weekly perspective, gold has created bearish price action, strongly bearish price action. As you can see, this is what exactly I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast as well. You can see on the weekly, gold has created a double top. It's a reversal, has broken down with a gap opening, retest again, strong drop, correction, strong drop, correction. Now we see that gold is in another impulsive phase. That means that we can expect now gold to create new lower low in this direction on the lower time frame. So monthly, weekly giving us a strong bearish price action. Looking at the daily time frame, if we look at closely, we see that this is a liquidity grab on the daily time frame. If you draw this trend line on the daily, we see gold was moving along this dynamic resistance with this 20 period moving average respecting this resistance. At some point, we have seen that from this monthly support, gold has a bounce, has broken out of this local resistance trend line, grab the liquidity, creating a lower high, which is the monthly resistance level. Gold has started to drop again. Now, this is the daily chart. As you can see, we see a clear head and shoulder has been formed on gold with that head and shoulder. And with this 20 period moving average, we have seen gold has now broken out of this head and shoulder, completely tested the neckline of this previous support zone here as a resistance, and back to back 2 days what we have seen that gold has created lower high below this neckline of this head and shoulder, and now we see that gold bears are strong and they are pushing that price down. There is one probability that, as you can see, there is a daily weakless candle. We could potentially see some spike above this level. If we draw this daily support zone, that potential for potential shorting opportunity, what we see on the intraday perspective, we see that gold has created a nice looking local structure above this level. You can see there is quite a few manipulations, strong false breakout to the upside, liquidity grab here, and every time the gold was trying to go down, going up and grabbing liquidity. Now on this 4 hour time frame, we see that this structure now is breaking down with this current candle, which we can see acting here as resistance, support here, support here. Now we see with this current candle, this support is being completely broken. So this is a bearish price action. As you can see on this level of support, series of lower high has been created. Now upon closing of this candle, once we see that this support, this daily level has completely been broken, we can expect this support to be tested as resistance, and then we can expect a rejection once this candle close below on the retest of this previous support zone here as a resistance. If we see significant bearish price action on the lower time frame, we'll consider shorting gold from this zone with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.